place. You try to steal my 8 pages, now I'm stealing your soul. You can't be me, you'll end up in my mouth hole. You edit videos and talk to Mini-Man. We'll ask our kids and give them bedridden. You might as well just run because your rhymes are sickly. You will not enjoy this, but it will be over quickly.
I beat your dumb game. I got all 8 pages. By the way, are you stupid or did a preschooler make up? I got a sticker of you on my MacBook Pros, so when it dies, I can burn your soul. I know your secrets, you got no need to eat. You're just like Edward. What, is it Twilight you seek? Buzzing and static is all I see. Oh my god, is that a hacker or a crappy LCD?
Nobody watches your vlogs. No one likes you at school. Your videos suck. Do you really think they're cool? You got a big reaction on YouTube from me. You even stated that you kinda went PP.
How do you stay so slim? You just eat fat nerds. You're a homeless idiot who just makes turds. Can I call you Slendy? Wait, I don't give a crap. All I can say is that you need to leave ASAP.
Who was? Who's the soda one thing? I'm from